Hello everyone, in today's short video I will unbox this LilyGo T-embed device. I will make some follow-up videos regarding the updates I will make and also to flash a different firmware. But for the moment, let's open it, have a short review how it will look out of the box. So what we have, the box, the device which is face down, and what else we have in the package? We have a zip bag with 4 screws and nothing else in this box. Yes, the box, it's empty. So we have 4 screws and we have the device. Device have a screen protection where it's telling for the first use connect device to a USB power source to turn it on. So I have not turned it on until now. I will plug in my power source and let's see how it's booting for the first time. Okay, we have automatically told us the time and it's already booted. What I will do, I will peel off the screen protector, which is showing us a nice message, and let's see the menu. So we have sub G, send and frequency. We have VS2812, which is the color of these dials. Let's change it to something else. Okay, now should be yellow. But how do I make it? Okay, change to yellow, but still red. We have NFC, PN532. We have a battery menu. Well, it's providing us some information regarding the battery. We have Wi-Fi. Okay. We have some music. We play music. We have the infrared option. But nothing else to load the file or something. Maybe we can learn it by receiving, who knows. And we have the settings. We have screen rotation, deep sleep, UI, shutdown, and about system. Right now, okay, NFC pass, C1101 pass, TF card failed, so I didn't put any SD card on this device. Okay, it have a nice look, default firmware, but later in another video I will flash it with Bruce firmware. Let's open the back cover. Okay, it's magnetic, but the reason we have those screws are 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here we can put the screws. If we remove this rubber, which is sticked, we can put screws and not use the magnetic back cover. Let's try to pull out the battery. So it has some double tape, but I don't know what it's double taped for. And we have some glue or hot glue. It's looking here, which was holded to not move over the reset button. Okay, this is how it's looking inside. We have the speaker, antenna, we have also the infrared option, the card slot, but nothing more for the moment. I will plan to upgrade the antennas. I will add some external antennas and maybe some modules, but I didn't have a plan. I just received the device. I received it quite fast. I was happy because under 1 week I got the device. And this firmware doesn't seem to have too many capabilities. Of course, this is the default firmware, not designed to have a lot of capabilities out of the box, because it's a device to make your own firmware and use for different purposes. But stay tuned. I will continue adding videos for this device regarding the flashing process, the Bruce firmware, and the mods which I will make to the device. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you.